How are you all? I hope you all are good and happy. So today we are going to begin with the lesson number 11 of your class 6 English grammar, that is adverbs. Now let's begin with this lesson. An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb. एक adverb एक ऐसा word होता है जो modify करता है meaning verb का. An adjective or the another adverb. Now read the sentences given below. Simran speaks loudly. सिमरन क्या कहती है loudly बोलती है. Modify the verb speaks. So the weather is very warm. Modify the adjective warm. She dances very gracefully. So modify the adverb gracefully. Now there are 6 kinds of adverbs. 6 kinds के adverbs होते हैं हमारे पास. Like adverb of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of type, adverbs of frequency or number, adverbs of quantity or degree, or adverbs of interrogative. So now, first let's talk about adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner express the way or the manner in which an action is done. किस तरीके से और किस manner में action हुआ है. They answer the question how. कि किस तरीके से हुआ है. Like the man shouted angrily. कैसे shout करा? Angrily. Angrily क्या आपका adverb of manner. The boy runs quickly. Boy कैसे run कर रहा है? Quickly कर रहा है. तो quickly is your adverb of manner. The patient slept soundly here. Soundly is the adverb of manner. Now adverb of manner usually ends in ly. किससे end होता है? Adverb of manner ज़्यादातर ly से ही end हुआ होता है. We form these adverbs by adding ly to the adjective. हम adjective में क्या add कर देते हैं? ly add कर देते हैं. Now bad, badly, great, greatly. Now but some adverbs of manner do not end in ly. कुछ adverbs of manner ly से end नहीं करती. Like Anand played well. They worked hard. ये ly से end नहीं करा. Now let's talk about adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tell us where things happen. ये हमें बताती है कहाँ पे कोई चीज हुई है और where an action is performed और कहाँ पे कोई action perform हो रहा है. They answer the question where. वो answer करता है question कहाँ पे. The boy is sitting outside. Boy कहाँ बैठा है? बाहर बैठा है. I have to go far. मुझे दूर जाना है. All the students are downstairs. सारे students नीचे हैं. So the most common adverb of place are given here. Up, down, out, near, upstairs, away, outdoors, inside, outside, nowhere, somewhere, backward, here, there, in, everywhere, sideways, indoors. These all are the adverbs of place. Now let's talk about adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tell us the time. We have a time with other like today, yesterday, tomorrow, daily, lately, ago, etc. When someone does something, कि कोई चीज कब कोई कर रहा है और वह सब action is performed और कब कोई action हुआ है. They answer the question how. यहाँ पे when आएगा. We shall go tomorrow. यहाँ पे how जगह when आएगा. Now we shall go tomorrow. हम कब जाएंगे? The train will arrive soon. The salesman came late. Some common adverbs of time are like before, yesterday, never, formerly, today, daily, tomorrow, early, now, soon, late, already, go. Now, adverbs of frequency or number. Adverbs of frequency or number expresses how often someone does something. कि कितनी कैसे कोई चीज करता है और कब करता है और how often an action is performed. They show how often. The milkman comes to our houses daily. जो milkman है हमारी daily हमारे houses पर आता है. daily हो गया. Now adverbs of frequency or number. The bus was nearly crowded. She is always late for school. वो हमेशा late होती है school के लिए. Now some common adverbs of frequency are or number are like always, weekly, fortnightly, annually, again, never, once, twice, usually, seldom, daily, monthly, ever, frequently, often, generally. Now adverbs of quantity or degree. And adverbs of quantity or degree tells how much or to what degree or to what extent a thing is done. कि कितना और कितनी डिग्री तक कोई एक्शन, हाउ मच और व्हाट डिग्री, मतलब कितनी डिग्री तक और वो कहाँ तक एक एक्शन हुआ है. Like the old man seems very tired. Very very हो गया आपका adverbs of quantity or degree. Rohan is too careless. बहुत ज़्यादा careless है वो. I am extremely sorry. I am दिल से sorry हूँ. Like some common adverbs of quantity or degree are almost quite as So enough nearly two more most entirely completely just very hardly slightly fairly badly either barely deeply warm only much far and really. Now adverbs of interrogative जिसमें questions put up होते हैं. Interrogative adverbs are used for asking questions. ये questions put up करने के लिए use होती है. Like for example, where is the thief hiding? कहाँ पे हाइडेड है थीफ? प्लेस ऑफ हाइडिंग क्या है? व्हाई इज ही क्राइंग? वो रो क्यों रहा है? रीजन ऑफ क्राइंग क्या है? उसका रीजन का रोने का रीजन क्या है? So these are the adverbs of interrogative. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of adverbs. Thank you and have a grateful day.